Welcome back. In the previous video we have completed this part, and in this video I'm going to show you this exercise, hands-on exercise, which we have to complete by April in order to maintain the Platform Developer 1 certification. So let's go ahead into this. So this is all about creating Lightning component and adding it as a tab. And for that you have to create a Lightning component and add these two tags: is exposed is equal to true, and add a Lightning tab as a target. Okay, so and here you come and create the tab, that Lightning web component as a tab. So in order to do that you have to create a Lightning component, web component, and you cannot do it with a simple setup. You have to have Salesforce CLI and everything complex setup installed. So for that there is a workaround here. They have given a package installation link that you install a package, managed package or unmanaged package, I think so, and that will install Lightning web component, and everything is fine. You just go ahead and create a tab and you can finish your assessment. So let me go to retake this exam and I'll show you. And before that you have to create user ID is already created, but you have to reset the password for it so that you can open that in incognito mode and install this package. So I have already done that. So if you have not done that, make sure you, once you open it here, go to the users and reset your password and open another session in the incognito mode, which I have already done here. Okay, so this is my incognito mode of this playground. Remember, playground and developer.org, otherwise you will end up installing in developer.org. So in this session I'll go ahead and copy paste that link for that managed package, and it's asking for the user ID. I think it's been quite some time. It's session expired, so I'm logging in with the password which I just reset. And here I am. I don't want to give my phone number to the playground, and install as admin only, and then install. So let's give a moment to install, and once it is installed you can go ahead and create a tab for that. Oh, sorry, my bad, I'm running out of battery. So now this package installation is complete. In this session, since this is in incognito, let me go back to the main version. This is a new session which I opened. That session has expired while installing. Let me find that component which is just now installed. Yeah, so Lightning component. Yeah, here it is, and it is installed. Type is Lightning web component. Okay, now what we have to do is just go ahead and create a tab and add this to the add this as a tab. Oh, it's so slow. Yeah, go to the tabs. Okay, and Lightning component, Lightning component tab, component and tag label, words, and select some tab style, and something here. Okay, keep the default settings on and then save it. That's all. Yes, you have the Lightning component tab created, and now go back to your trailhead on this playground. Check if you have completed. This should be done, because all the required prerequisites are done. So hopefully we should be able to earn 500 points and complete this session. Yes, so that's all about it. So thank you, bye bye.